Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I wanted to do some spring cleaning as well as a bit of Easter decorating. So I hope that you will join me and feel inspired.
So especially with all the sicknesses going around, I definitely want to wipe down surfaces that I normally don't wipe down. So things like the front of my cupboards, doorknobs, the handle on the fridge, that kind of thing. So another thing I like to do is wash pillow covers or throws, things that I wouldn't wash on a regular basis, but definitely need it. Of course, one cannot forget the inside of the microwave, which, let's be honest, I definitely put that off because I don't like cleaning it, but it needs to be done. So I'm going to put some vinegar and water in the microwave that, and hope that loosens everything up. And then we will clean after that. So I don't know about you guys, but we have really hard water, so the kettle gets quite a buildup inside. I don't know how well you can see. Amazing what a difference oil and vinegar makes. I don't know if you can see, but it's so clean now. So I saved my water from the kettle, like the water and vinegar, and I put it in this pot. And now I'm just going to soak my shower head in it, so that way it can be cleaned as well.
I don't know about you, but a lot of times dusting is not a priority and doesn't get done as often as it should. So it becomes more of a spring cleaning chore. So I'm just going to do some dusting and pick up a few more things, and then we can do some Easter decorating.
I'm excited because I pulled out not all of my Easter decor because with the toddler I'm not taking it all out, but I found most of it, and I feel like you forget what you have until you start taking it back out again. I'm like, oh, that's such fun stuff, so I'm excited to decorate. I'm going to decorate this. If you've been watching for a while, you'll know last Easter I did these Easter eggs in this basket, so I'm going to try and incorporate that as well because it turned out really nice and I'd like to use it again this year. So I put up these eggs in the window here and I really like them. The only problem is that my toddler thinks they're fun to play with and he likes to stand up in this windowsill, and I realized soon afterwards that it was definitely not going to work in this spot. So I moved it to above the curtain here, and it still looks nice and at least it won't get wrecked over here. I really wanted something cheery in the kitchen, especially when I'm doing dishes. It's nice if there's something in the window here. It unfortunately wasn't easy to film because you're looking directly into the window, so the lighting isn't very good, but you get the idea. I really love this wreath and I think it really fits the spot well. So I also added this tea towel. I think it's really pretty. It's obviously not very practical, but we'll just have it there as decoration. Thanks guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching my spring cleaning and my decorating for Easter. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I hope it inspires you to clean and decorate your house and just make it feel, you know, happy and sort of colorful for spring. Get out of this dreary winter and all of this sickness. If you guys are new, I'd love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye!